Hello Gemini, this is a reading for you today. This is a general reading. It may or may not resonate with every one of you out there. So please feel free to take what resonates with you or check to your sun, moon or rising sign that might whichever matches your storyline. Okay, let's start the reading for you Geminis. I'm using Druid Tarot. They are too big for my hands. And this is my first reading for Geminis on Soulful Intuitive Tarot. Please like, share and subscribe if you like my reading or if it resonates with you. Okay. I don't... right now I'm not taking reversals. So I'll be reading all the cards upright. Okay. Let's start the reading. The first card out is Five of Swords. Then we have Nine of Pentacles, Ten of Pentacles. We'll be seeing past, present and the future of this connection. We have Princess of Wands, Eight of Swords and Ace of Swords. And we have Eight of Pentacles, Sun and the Three of Wands. Let's see. The overall energy, we have two cards for overall energy. Overall energy is Ace of Wands and the Princess of Cups. That is the Page of Cups. Prince of Cups. Sorry, the Knight of Cups. Okay. So the overall energy is a love offer which is coming in for you. This is a romantic connection. And and a very passionate connection, Ace of Wands, and bringing you a lot of hopes here. Feels like you're looking towards this connection with a lot of hope. Okay, let's see what the present, past and future about this relationship and your person. What from here I can see is in the past, you both were like we have Five of Swords, the Nine of Pentacles and the Ten of Pentacles. In the past, you were like very independent, whereas your person wanted this commitment and they felt you were their everything. This can be interchanged. This can be your feelings towards them or their feelings towards you, and they were feeling very defeated that you are not considering them into your life. You want to pursue this independently, and they see you as their wish fulfillment, total wish fulfillment, and you are here abundant and happy to within yourself, not looking towards a relationship. See, you are looking away from the Ten of Pentacles. So what this says is you were not considering this, or they were not considering you as, and so this was not a very happy outcome in the future. Right now you both are feeling trapped. They want to come towards you with they have something to offer you. The Ace of Swords, a truth, maybe a new start, new commitment. The Page of Wands here is a very passionate beginning. Here we have Eight of Pentacles, the Sun, the happiest card in the deck for the overall energy between you both in the future. So what both of you want is this, but you're very much in your head because you had a very rough past and you are not ready to give up on your independence. You are busy working on your pentacles. this is very important for you right now, because you have had the worst kind of a past which got you into this. You had to leave everything behind and to be at this place where you feel independent and free. This energy, you don't want to lose on this energy. You want this total happiness, you want the commitment, you want the companionship, but you right now, maybe your person, this can be interchanged. As I said, you have a new beginning here which is very promising, and this offer is very loving, and it's coming fast, very passionate and loving commitment for you. And but you are here waiting for something. Your person is waiting for some time out, whereas you are busy in your career or in your work, making pentacles, making your stable future for yourself. You don't want to depend on anyone. This reading, what it says is the minimum amount of dependency on others, and you want you want this commitment without falling back on someone else. You want it to be, I think you want an unconditional kind of a love where there is only love. This is very happy energy I can see. You are in your head, you are giving it a lot of thought, waiting for something, your person is waiting for you. They are waiting for you with a lot of passion here, as you can see this, but you are not loosening yourself or maybe giving yourself to them. Okay, Gemini, this is your reading. I will see you in the next reading. Till then, bye and take care.